Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove sections on Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Wix, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Removing sections on Wix is a straightforward process that is particularly beneficial if you want to reduce unnecessary content and you wanted to have a simplified navigation, making it easier for visitors to find relevant informations because too many sections can overwhelm users and detract from key messaging. Once you're logged into your account, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard depending on how you set up your Wix account. In this case, there's going to be an option that says website, and I want you to click on it. Now here, as you can see, if you scroll through the page in the editor, you will find the section you want to remove. For example, there's going to be a horizontal line in between of them and it says add sections, right? On top, there's going to be add section. That means the entirety of this interface is the whole section. If you want to delete all of it, all you have to do is right click on delete, and that's that. Okay, so you have already deleted one section. And if you wanted to do so on the bottom left corner here, just click on delete as well. All right. For example, I'm going to add a section. Here, add a section as well. But if you want to delete, just click on delete. And that's that. Okay. Now, doing so is removing the sections can guide the visitors more effectively towards conversion points because too much information can distract users from taking key actions like, signing up, making a purchase, or even contacting you. Now, if you wanted to undo all the actions that you have done, all you're gonna do is click on this like undo button or like a back arrow, and you would be reverted to the normal sections that you have here earlier. All right, and of course, removing sections can help refine your website and keep it aligned with your objectives and audience needs. Not only that, Google and other search engines favor websites with clear, concise content, and by removing redundant sections like this one, you help search engines better understand and index your content, potentially improving your rankings. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.